How to fix Aliexpress payment error on the website. Now, if you are having the problem to payment in Aliexpress from your website or the browser, you can do few things to fix that. First and very easy step is to try mobile application of Aliexpress, and that might fix your issue. Try that. Or if you are using it in your browser which are providing ad blocker, then in that case you should disable the ad blocker or try different browser than the one that you are using currently and having problem with. And after that, if you are still facing the problem, you should clear the cache of your browser app. And if even that is not fixing your issue, then in that case you should try using a different payment method, or you should remove and re-add the payment method that you are using, and your problem will be fixed in Aliexpress and you can pay very easily. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.